You want crispy golden pork belly that's packed with bold Dominican flavor? Crispy, juicy pork belly with just the right hit of seasoning and a citrusy finish? This is the kind of bite that makes you close your eyes and say, yes. We're bringing bold Dominican flavors straight to your kitchen, no passport required. We're starting with 2 pounds of pork belly cut into juicy bite-sized chunks. Not baby bites, real bites. Then we give them a good citrus spa day. Wash those chunks with white vinegar or lime juice, rinse them off, and pat them dry like they just got out of the shower. No damn pork allowed, honey. We're trying to get that crisp. Now it's time to season like a true Dominican abuela. Grab a bowl and toss in the pork with 1.5 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of Dominican oregano, yes, the kind that smells like childhood memories, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of onion powder if you're feeling fancy, and half a teaspoon of adobo because flavor is life. Mix it all up and let it marinate. I say at least 30 minutes, but if you forget about it and come back in 2 hours, even better. Here's where the magic starts. Place all that seasoned pork into a deep pan, no oil yet, just 1 cup of water. Bring it to a boil over medium-high heat. Now this ain't just boiling, this is pork belly boot camp. As the water evaporates, the pork starts sweating out its own fat, and we love that for us. Once the water's gone and the pork's kinda dancing in its own grease, cue the sizzle symphony, lower the heat a bit and add 1 cup of oil. We're going from simmer to sizzle real quick. Stir occasionally, but don't hover. Nobody likes a micromanager, not even pork. Now fry it till it's golden and crispy. I mean, like if it were a chip, you'd buy it. Crispy. Just be careful. Hot oil plus pork equals fireworks, and not the fun kind. Once it's crispy and golden like it just came back from vacation, hit it with the juice of 2 fresh limes. Boom, instant citrusy vibe that cuts through all that richness like a pro. Pull it out of the oil, drain on paper towels, and serve it up while it's still talking to you, sizzling and popping. Wanna skip the frying oil but still get that crispy magic? You can totally make this in the air fryer in 45 minutes. After the pork is seasoned and boiled until tender and the water's evaporated, let it cool slightly, then pop those chunks into your air fryer basket. Air fry at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes, flipping halfway through until they're golden and crackly. Boom, same crunch, less mess. This ain't just food, this is Dominican soul in every bite. Oh, and here's a little joke for you while it cools. Why did the pork belly get invited to every party? Because it always brings that crunch. If your mouth's already watering, you're not alone. For the full written recipe, tips, and more Dominican goodness, head on over to kelvinskitchen.com because good food belongs in your kitchen too. Now go on, fry that pork belly and make your grandma proud.